If you're looking for wall clocks for living room, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 wall clocks for living room. Number 1, most popular, by CoZroom. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Elikeable. Number 3, by Vangold. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Adalene. Number 5, by Awakingdemi. Find these wall clocks for living room at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Hense. Number 7, by Morden. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Happy Hours. Number 9, by Old Oak. Discover more wall clocks for living room ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Keystore.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.